So yesterday I took you all through a step-by-step process for making sea moss. Today I'm going to demonstrate a simple and delicious smoothie that you can use with that sea moss. So here are the ingredients. I have papaya. I have a combination of seeds, hemp seed, chia seed, and flaxseed, avocado, blueberry, lemon, cashew yogurt, and flaxseed milk. Now I'm going to go ahead and put the ingredients together. I'm going to start with the seeds. Put that in there. The cashew yogurt. And this is just vanilla bean yogurt. It's great because it's really low in sugar. And the probiotics in this, it's really good for your gut health, which directly impacts your immunity. Okay, I'm gonna add my avocado. Should have probably put this in first, huh? Let's just ease it on in there. It's not so bad. Really healthy fatty acids in the avocado, as well as a host of vitamins and nutrients. We're going to add our blueberries. They're rich in antioxidants. We're going to add our papaya. It's excellent for your digestive health. This, I'm going to ease that in there too, so that we're not splashing. Add our lemon juice and just half a lemon. Use the rest for water or salad, the other half. And now we're gonna go ahead and blend. Ooh, wait, I forgot the flaxseed milk. So about 13 ounces. And now let's blend. So I forgot to add one of my favorite ingredients for a smoothie, goji berries. And this is going to give it a nice little flavor. It's also going to pack this with some great antioxidants as well as other nutrients. So I'm going to start this over again with some goji berries. Now we're ready to actually taste our smoothie. It's really thick there because of the avocado.